Hello, we're on Unit 11, Lesson 1 homework, and question number 1, all you really need to know is that if you have a tangent line drawn to a circle and the radius drawn and they are intersecting at a point on the circle, then those two lines are perpendicular. So what you're looking at here is a right triangle, and so it says, is it tangent actually? So what we want to know is that a right angle? And if it is, then you would need to fit these into the Pythagorean theorem. So you're checking to see if this is true. Is 6 squared plus 9 squared equal to 15 squared? And check it out. See if that actually works. Okay, so next one. Let me see if I can scroll down here. So why isn't this working? Okay, there we go. Question number 2 says, given the figure, we have 3 segments and they are all tangent, and we learned that this would be congruent to this, and this segment would be congruent to that segment, and that segment would be congruent to that segment. So from there, you need to add them all up to find, oh no, you're not finding the perimeter, you're finding DE. So just find the length of DE. Number 3, we're on a roll. Number 3 says, given the figure circles X and Y have 2 tangents drawn from the external point T to the points of tangency CA, S, and E. The ratio of TA to AC is 1 to 3. So TA to AC is 1 to 3. We know when we have ratios like that, we're going to put X's with them. So 1X and 3X. It says TS is 24. And again, the 2 tangents should be equal to each other. So you know that 3x plus 1x should equal 24. And you're going to go ahead and set up an equation and solve for x. Just make sure when you answer the question, you're finding the length of CE. No, SE, not CE, sorry. So you're actually finding that. So you'll have to plug back in. And question number 4, last one. It says find the values of A and B, and they're showing you that this whole angle is 137, and we should know that a tangent and a radius are perpendicular. So this is a right angle. To find this angle, you're going to do 137 minus 90, and that will give you this angle. And I'm going to leave the rest to you because I think you can figure it out. There's no review on the back of this assignment because you have a review assignment in your book, so make sure you finish that up.